and ABA live on March 30th. This is how you can get your certificate. Go to My Courses. Make sure you're logged into your account first as well. And then mine's going to look a little different because I have an admin account, but you can search it over here, or it should be one of the first workshops to show up on your screen. Click on Start Course for the live version, and then you'll click Start Course again. Remember to be in the live version. Right here it says skip event because this is for people who maybe, I don't actually know why the wording is like that, but the directions on here tell you just to click skip event. So you'll click that because you already attended it live. And then you'll click Start Quiz. Fill out your feedback here. And then once you do that, you will click Finish Quiz and your certificate will pop up. If you have any issues, please contact Megan at dobettercollective.us.